Hey folks, today we're making laser cut cars. When you're making a car, you really want to consider the way that your different parts are constrained. In the case of my car, the wheels are constrained through a shaft. A shaft allows for translation along its axis, but doesn't allow for any movement in any other direction. Additionally, shafts allow for rotation, which is core to the functionality of our wheels. The difference between a shaft and an axle is that a shaft requires all of its elements to rotate an equal amount. That's to say, if this wheel rotates one full rotation, then this wheel rotates one full rotation. In the case of an axle, the wheels could rotate uneven amounts, and that could cause our car to steer uncontrollably. For my car, I wanted to put a little bit of a personal touch on it, so I put one wheel in the front and two wheels in the back. I thought that looked kind of cool. How fast will your car be? Let's see what you can do.